get a good weight. $167.5. 167.5.
That's right.
All right.
That's right. Y'all seen that, right? Everybody seen that, right?
I saw that, but I saw that. Anyway, courtesy of Zupa Boxing, yung video, no? And officially, Canelo versus Crawford had weighed in at 167.5. Identical weigh-in, so ang limit po nila 168. Just a reminder, Crawford is moving up from 154 to 168, but he looks good. He looks good here. Kagising ko lang guys, no? But he looks good, no? Yan ang kaya nang gusto kong katawan. Meanwhile, ito si Crawford, si Canelo. Canelo looks good as well. So, si Canelo, sanay naman tayo makita yan na lumaban po sa 168 pounds and he looks good, he looks ready, he looks strong. But itong Crawford, so hindi po edited, ha? Ito, doon na mismo sa commission nito, doon na mismo sa Vegas official weigh-in, makasabihin niyo ba edited yung abs ni Crawford dito. Anyway, let's talk about what I saw in the weigh-in. Sino bang mas maganda tingnan sa weigh-in? At sino ba sa tingin may tuyot ba dito? Parang wala yatang tuyot. Parang pareho po silang maganda ang itsura. At least visually, no? Nakikita natin na mukhang magiging maganda yung laban. I have the same question. Siguro kung napanood yung mga huling video ko, ang tanong ko talaga, Crawford can weigh it 168. He can weigh in at a bigger weight with no problem. No, and because he's not short. In fact, mas matangkad pa nga daw siya or mas matangkad pa siya kay Canelo Alvarez. So, he could look bigger than Canelo kasi naturally taller siya eh. So he can look big and mukhang yung bone structure naman niya parang kaya naman talaga i-support yung weight na yan. So, but the big question is dalawa yung question ko kay Crawford. Again, kung kaya niya ba tumanggap ng mas mabibigat na suntok on fight night. Ito po, 167.5. Let me remind you that magbo-bloat pa itong mga fighters na ito. I don't know kung magbo-bloat pa o bibigat pa si Crawford. How big can Crawford be? But, that's the biggest question. 167, kinabukasan on fight night, ano kaya maging timbang niya? Will he go for 10 pounds more? Baka naman bumagal siya or baka naman anong mangyari, hindi niya magawa yung mga ginagawa niya dati because he was on a lighter division. Kasi ganun po yun no? So kay Canelo naman, we know that he's probably gonna blow up to plus 10, 15, less than 2 or 20 pounds. I mean, so pwede pong siya ang maging dito, mas mabigat talaga. But I doubt na ganun ang gagawin. I think both of them need speeds. Canelo needs speed on this one. Because expected natin na magkakaroon po ng speed itong si Crawford pa rin, no? Yun ang expect natin. So, kung paano siya tumanggap at kung may lakas ba siya pagdating po sa 168-pound division. So, two of the main question. Just to say, no? Ito pong dalawang boksingero has never been knocked down. Kung napanood yung aking prediction, I predicted Canelo Alvarez, but I do not foresee a knockout in this fight because both of them has historically is a durable fighter. At least now that they're facing two or they're the best in their division, that could change. Now I do not know exactly how that would change. Again, I'm still leaning towards Canelo, but man, look at Crawford. He looks like a legit super middleweight. So man, I do not know what else to say than I'm excited for the fight. At yung yung ceremonial weigh-in, 9 o'clock pa yan ng umaga sa Pilipinas. So 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So gotta watch out for that. Let me see if I can also discuss further more about what else should we look for dito sa laban na ito. But both of them nakakuha ng timbang, and I think, I think it's gonna be a great fight. Hopefully they make history. That's all I can say. So, sa nakita nyo ngayon, who do you think? Who do you think? Sino mananalo?